Well, this is a little video of the steam test on the 1.5-inch double crank compound Alchin. This model's built to the Royal Chester design, but very unusually has a double crank compound cylinder arrangement on the top. 2 cylinders, one small, one large, the small being high pressure that gets the steam first and then exhausts into the low pressure. Most Royal Chesters, the vast majority, are a simple single cylindered version. Models like this are beautiful to watch. They're really nice ornaments, and although they steam, they're quite difficult to manage. Everything happens very quickly. Particularly, although this small engine will pull a person, as you'll see in a moment, it's really working very hard when it pulls somebody, even on smooth concrete, as you see here. It means that you have to really concentrate on the pressure, the water, the fire, to make sure that everything's in balance, and you really have to work hard to drive it smoothly. And certainly using it on grass or off-road in any way, the ground becomes too uneven and it just becomes really difficult to work. Here you can see just how small the firebox is. The blower is on at this point and the exhaust is pulling the fire through, so you could see the steam swirling round and going back in through the firebox. You have to be on top of it at all times. You can see it steams freely here. The safety valves are blowing away, and you just saw John click the water pump on so that it started pumping water into the boiler. Absolutely fine, but just a little bit tricky to manage. Still, a really beautiful model. You can see on the top here, that's the mechanical lubricator, clicking away nicely there, pumping steam oil into the cylinder to make sure it keeps lubricated. Again, a really pretty model, really nice thing to have. Something that you probably wouldn't use that much because it's a fiddle to try and keep it in steam, but certainly absolutely beautiful, polished up and in the house.